Welcome students. Today's session, the small topic will be that starting basic concept. Consider IUPAC of carboxylic acid, ketone and ether. This is the 11th standard basics. Just will be the lessons will be start is also depth will be worked out for the 11th standard session, but the basics also yourself very important. Next will be consider IUPAC of carboxylic acid. IUPAC used already known informed for OIC sound and the suffix and R alkyl group attached based of the IUPAC name. So first will be the form will be the hydrogen atom one attached of carboxylic group, one carbon atom present is the carboxylic group, one carbon is meth, so OIC sound and acid, methanoic acid. IUPAC name very easy. The common name, the form of the first hydrogen atom is a formic acid. Next we will be consider one alkyl group present, R group also present, another one carboxylic acid group present, is R also methyl group, CH3 group and carboxylic acid group 1 present. So 2 carbon also here, eth and OIC and acid, ethanoic acid. The common name acetic acid. Most of preservative used in the acetic acid is called the vinegar. Common name vinegar. The acid type and ketone ether is the most of common name also here for that Indians. So next will be that the one CH2 chain increase, the methane methyl group increase is this is the ethyl group attached and acid group 1 2 3 carbon also here. So first carbon attached acid, but 3 carbon also here, propanoic acid. Next will be consider IUPAC of ketone. So 2 alkyl group, in between the cap is the carbonyl group, carbon double bond O, that's the 4 bond order 1 2 3 4. So present also is called ketone. IUPAC name used of the 1. So R group, the similar R group is also methyl group also here. This is also methyl group present. So this is also ketone group also here. So 2 times methyl group also, 2 means di. The same group is used after repeated time. 3 times means tri, 4 times tetra. So 2 times is also repeated to the methyl group. So di. The which group also here? Methyl group, dimethyl. The center of the name ketone, dimethyl ketone. The common name is also acetone. The basic also consider acetic acid is also CH3CO, the same CH3CO, but here also OH acid function group, here also another one alkyl group, so acetone. And IUPAC name 1 2 3 3 carbon prop and IUPAC used 1 propanone, and depth IUPAC name all are single compound of alkyl group. So propane is a methyl group also single bond, another one methyl group also single bond. The student consider do not carbon to oxygen double bond do not mention here. So propane, second carbon atom 1 2, second carbon atom 1, so second carbon atom ketone. So IUPAC name perfect propane 2 1 is a perfect IUPAC name. So repeat another one time. So same functional group repeated, the left side and right side is the center of the ketone functional group. Another one name carbon with oxygen, carbonyl group. So 2 times means di. The same functional group name is called methyl, so dimethyl. Another one, the center of the carbonyl group name is called ketone, dimethyl ketone. Common name acetone. Another IUPAC name slightly propanone. And perfectly tool two position of one ketone present. So 3 carbon propane and 2 1. Next will be consider this is also first carbon, second carbon, third carbon also ketone here. So fourth carbon, fifth carbon. So this is also same functional group, this is also same functional group. The consider of 2 carbon atom C2H5 is called ethyl. So C2H5 is called ethyl. So total diethyl, ethyl group 2 times also present. Diethyl center of the ketone very easy, but IUPAC name is a first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, fifth carbon. Total 5 carbon, the pentane and 1 pentanone. So pentane 3 1 is a IUPAC name. Pentane 3 1 is a IUPAC name. So the student also mistake diethyl 1 the wrongly and write it the for exam IUPAC name systems. So next will be that phenyl group. So phenyl group C6H5 is a phenyl, C6H5 is a phenyl group. So you will be that follow that the you will be right, and next you will be consider that the same functional group repeated 2 times is also di. So phenyl, diphenyl ketone, diphenyl ketone. So IUPAC name, how is it the follow that? So 11th standard book is also open. 6 time carbon, 6 type carbon, another the function of the 1 carbon is the write it follow that the 11th standard book verified. Or not, you will be the next class will be depth, it will be the lesson started now. The organic chemistry is the after quarterly session, and now on the organic chemistry basics is the last session. Okay students, so next will be the consider of inorganic chemistry based, this will be the discuss. So IUPAC name of the ether, the same, this is also carbonyl group. So this is R to R, center of the oxygen only present is the ether, oxygen present in the ether. So same like that follow that methyl group, same like it the methyl group. So dimethyl ether, oxygen means C. So IUPAC name used right to left already known. So this is also meth 1 carbon and oxygen oxy, and this is the formation, how the formation of this group, methane to methyl group, 1 hydrogen removed will be attached of the position. So this is a original name also mentioned, meth oxy methane, meth oxy methane is a IUPAC name. Common name is also very easy, dimethyl ether, finished. Next is also already consider ethyl group, diethyl ether, finished. So IUPAC name ethoxy ethane, ethoxy ethane, ethoxy ethane. Next will be that phenyl group, same diphenyl ketone. So another one structure will be the phenyl structure is the phenol structure, 1 hydrogen will be removed is the phenyl group and oxygen attached. The possibilities for book is so easily printed this method. So this is also C6H5, this is also C6H5, every corner is also 1 carbon 1 hydrogen, 1 carbon 1 hydrogen, 1 carbon 1 hydrogen, 1 carbon 1 hydrogen. Here only 1 carbon attached with oxygen, here only 1 carbon attached with, so 6 carbon 5 hydrogen also here now. So this is a diphenyl ether, sorry diphenyl, wrongly entered, ether, diphenyl ether. So IUPAC name used phenyl group, so phenyl oxy, here also where present this is C6H6, C6H6 is also benzene, C6H6 is a benzene. So original name is also benzene, phenyl react with oxygen and attach with benzene. Phenoxybenzene, phenyl group, phenyl, so phen, oxygen, oxy, original name is a benzene. Phenoxybenzene is a IUPAC name. Phenoxybenzene is a IUPAC name. So this is also organic based, mostly slightly touch of the in your book for 11th standard, but it will be the depth will be do not consider, will be the lesson will be start is also depth detailedly discussed, and next session will be very important for the inorganic chemistry, and 10% will be touch for 11th standard book. So it will be properly periodic classification and SPDF blocks, how many elements present, how many elements is also behaviors is already discussed for 10th standard book. So it will be the listening of the inorganic basic chemistry. So you will be refer 1 or 2 times your 10th standard book periodic classification lesson or 9th standard book type of block in elements and behaviors, how many groups, how many periods is also slightly referred and comes into seen our videos. Thank you to all.